National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern St. Charles County, central Franklin County, southwestern St. Louis County, southeastern Warren County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Melly, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Chesterfield, Wildwood, Bowen, Woodsville, Maryland Heights, Lake St. Louis, Washington, Dardenne Prairie, Eureka, Ellisville, Pacific, Weldon Spring, Cotlerville, Clarkson Valley, St. Paul, Gray Summit, and Villa Ridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 251 and 266. Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 203 and 227. This also includes Badler Memorial State Park and Route 66 State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary of watches